Let us see what is HTML. Basically, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is used to create the web pages. So let us see what is URL. The URL defines whatever the thing we are going to type in your browser. So here I am going to type www.youtube.com. If you are going to see the youtube.com, you can able to see whatever the URL you have typed. Name of the website you are going to type. That is the URL. Next, the browser. Browser is a software program which is used to show web pages. Here we are using different types of browsers like Chrome, Internet Explorer, Opera, Firefox, and different types of browsers we are having. So now basically if you are going to type any document, type some text. It means, for example, if I am going to open the MS Word, in order to open the MS Word, WinWord is a shortcut I am going to type. If you are going to open the conventional editors, here you are going to type some particular text, and whatever the text you are going to type, paragraph and other kind of things you are going to type. So similar manner, the particular tags are associated in order to create the web page. In order to create the web page, what we are going to do is, here we are having a tags. So now in order to create the tags, what I am going to do is, I am going to type the tags by using greater than and less than. So now if I want to type the particular HTML document, what I need to do is, I need to create a HTML document. So now let us type the structure of document Notepad. Notepad is an editor where I can able to type the document. So now here I am having a Notepad. Now the structure of HTML stands with, we are using an angular braces and I am going to type HTML. So now HTML, and I am going to type the head. Now I have typed the head. What is the heading you would like to keep? This is my first HTML page. So now I need to close the head. I am going to close the head. Now before closing the head, if you want to give the title, title defines what is the title of your particular web page. If you want to type the particular title, you can use title of the web page. So now what I am going to do is, I am going to type the title. So title is opened by the braces like angular braces, which is less than symbol and greater than symbol. Starts with the less than symbol and ends with the greater than symbol. Each and every tag is going to end with the backslash title, /HTML. So before saving the document, what I am going to suggest you is, open the my computer and create the folder in any particular drive. I am going to create a folder name HTML in C drive. Within this folder, I need to save my document. It means it is the work directory where you are going to save your document. I am going to save the document example1 eg1.html. eg1.html. Now in all files I am going to save this document. Now if you are going to open your work directory, you can able to notice that you are having an browser icon. Here you are having browser icon, and if you are going to open with Microsoft Edge, you can see nothing is shown here. If you are going to see at the top of your URL, at the top of the web page, you can able to see this is my first HTML page, which is shown as a title on the tabbed pane. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.